One of the most common questions I get asked all the time is, how do you fill a WaterMonster tank? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways of how to fill it. Let's take a look. A common water faucet. Use a food-grade hose, which can be run several hundred feet if needed. Connect to our optional carbon water filter and turn the water on. Once full, the WaterMonster holds the equivalent of 1,000 plastic water bottles. Average fill time is 10 to 15 minutes. Another way is to fill from an IBC Water Cube. Place the empty tank in a truck or trailer, secure it, then fill it. We offer an electric water pump kit with all the correct hoses and fittings. Simply connect it to a 12-volt car battery and you're ready to transfer water. This setup will create the same water pressure you would get from a common water faucet. When you add our transport rack system, you can carry up to 3 WaterMonster tanks and stands. Turn any truck or UTV with a 2-inch receiver hitch into a mini water hauler, a perfect hydration solution for venues without a water source. You can also use this same electric pump kit to pull water directly from a 5-gallon water jug. It'll typically drain a 5-gallon water jug in 30 seconds. If you need a faster fill time, you can use a gas-powered water pump. These pumps typically have a 2-inch inlet and outlet. We do sell the fittings and hoses to make the conversion easy for you. However, you would purchase the gas water pump locally. Average fill time is about 60 seconds. If you have a forklift, you can easily lift a full IBC Water Cube and position it over the top of a WaterMonster tank. Open the valve and fill. For really big jobs, you can hire a local potable water hauler. They typically haul around 1,500 to 5,000 gallons, and they can fill a WaterMonster tank in about 20 seconds. I've been selling WaterMonster tanks and servicing outdoor events across the U.S. for over 10 years. I've helped hydrate thousands of events. Big or small, we've serviced them all. It's my passion to share sustainable solutions that help make hydration management easier for you, your staff, and your participants. Give me a call anytime. I'm happy to help.